Alright, so we're getting ready to go to this meet. Some of my homies just put it together. And we're gonna see how it is. It's Nathan getting his car now. His bagged LS. I'm just driving my Pathfinder. Really want to bring the Prelude out. So I'll get you guys when we get there.
Yeah, so you'll find what you're looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. We'll talk about.
Yeah, I just got here. There's no cars. That's Sonic's. So, got my camera. Just doing a little photo shoot of Nathan's car. He just moved out here too. Got it on bags. It's kind of cold, so I'll be shaking. It's like 20 something, 27 degrees out. All aired out. I'll insert the photos. Once I take it. It won't be really nice photos because I suck, but something. All you need some wheels, a little detail. We got one car rolling in right here. Subaru, but take some more photos. We got I think Carlos, Hayden's brother-in-law from Boosted Boys, the K24 or K20 Turbo Integra. We got a random WRX or STI, a Mustang. Just waiting for my homies to come up. Fucking loud. We got a DSM right here. Got all the Mopars and these Corvettes. Wow. All the fast cars and shit. Subaru. This is co-worker's car right here.
It's slow. Plug wire. Yeah, it's dead ass slow. Man, you can't say that.
I got the Corvettes, Challengers, Hellcat right here. The Evo pulling in. Sounds pretty fast. Boosted B Series EG, Evos M3, WRX, Everybody's just talking right now. This is Wyatt's Jeep, Carlos's K-Swap Turbo Integra. Shit's fast. You see it on this food's channel. Meticulous. He makes custom manifolds and stuff. This is all-wheel drive D-Series EF wagon. Which is clean. About to air up. Let's go. Just getting some food before we leave. It's way too cold. The meet's just starting, but I'm just trying to see who wants to run it and stuff. But maybe next time, no kids, cause way too cold.
Yes.
Maybe when it gets a little warmer. Fucking Camaro. The Camaro sounds fucking fast.
Making some decent power things like in the high hundreds.
I mean, this is probably pretty fast
I don't
too.
even know who this is, dude. That's the first time I've seen it.
He popped his head. But he has a stock manifold, his intake, big intercooler. But I'm pretty sure it's all-wheel drive. It's probably GSX. Well, Kyle didn't show up, huh?
No, that's last night.
Yeah?
Yeah, with his laptop on his camera and shit.
Where at?
Here in town. I guess somebody walked to his truck and just took it off.
I need a stabilizer, dude. Two of them. Pull that out of it. He's gonna do a pull. I know. We're gonna go buy some diapers before we head home and just chill for the rest of the night. Edit this video, put it out the same night. Stop everyone. Just getting some gifts, diapers, wipes, and this cake for my daughter because her birthday is tomorrow. My second, she's turning 3. And it looks so good. If you haven't tried this, it's fire. You gotta try it. And you know you got badass kids. So, Ethan. Yeah, but why would you want to get that? We got this one.
She's having a fuzzy.
But it's a different flavor cake. That's like Carbro. It's just vanilla and chocolate. It looks good too, but
I want to see.
I don't know. Try it next time.
I want to see how.
It's so small too.
I want to see how it looks like though. Okay, that's a small
Yeah.
box. What?
It's nice, but
It's so cool.
you're gonna mess with the cake.
It's
Put
a
it
little
back.
bit messed up though. It's a little bit hungry.
Alright, so let's go.